Let's delve deep into the captivating world of bioluminescence, a natural phenomenon that has fascinated scientists and nature lovers alike. From deep-sea creatures to enchanting fireflies, we will uncover the secrets behind this mesmerizing spectacle. Bioluminescence is a dazzling display of light produced by living organisms. It's like nature's own light show. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the densest forests, this phenomenon can be found all around the globe. The ocean depths are a treasure trove of bioluminescent wonders. Deep-sea creatures like the anglerfish use their bioluminescent lures to attract prey in the pitch-black abyss. Some species of jellyfish also create this, turning the ocean into a living light show. But perhaps the most famous of them all is the firefly squid of Toyama Bay, Japan. Millions of these tiny squid light up the bay every spring, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Bioluminescence isn't limited to the deep sea. In the darkest corners of the forest, you can find glowing mushrooms, creating an otherworldly ambience. On the other hand, fireflies illuminate summer nights with their enchanting glow, creating a romantic atmosphere in many parts of the world. How do these organisms produce light? Well, it's a chemical reaction that takes place in their body. The reaction that takes place in bioluminescence typically involves components luciferin and luciferase in the presence of oxygen. Luciferin is a light-emitting molecule. Different organisms may have specific types of luciferins with variations in their chemical structures. Luciferase is an enzyme that facilitates the reaction. It acts as a catalyst to speed up the process. Oxygen from the surrounding environment is necessary for the reaction to occur. In this reaction, luciferin combines with oxygen in the presence of the enzyme luciferase to produce oxyluciferin and emit visible light. The color of the light emitted can vary depending on the specific organism and the type of luciferin they use. This reaction is what gives bioluminescent organisms their ability to glow in the dark. Well, one thing to note here is that the light produced is cold light, which means it doesn't have heat. Bioluminescent genetic engineering. Scientists have been exploring ways to make other organisms bioluminescent through a process known as bioluminescent genetic engineering or bioluminescent bioengineering. This involves introducing the genes responsible for bioluminescence from one organism into another organism that does not naturally possess this capability. Some of the animals that were made bioluminescent by this process are cats, monkeys, mice, etc. Do humans also exhibit the power to be bioluminescent? Well, the answer is yes. Humans do exhibit a form of bioluminescence. According to a study conducted in 2009 by Japanese researchers, human bioluminescence and visible light exists. It's just too dim for our weak eyes to pick up on. The intensity of the light emitted by the body is 1,000 times lower than the sensitivity of our naked eyes. This bioluminescence is caused by highly reactive free radicals produced through cell respiration interacting with free-floating lipids and proteins. These excited molecules can then interact with fluorophores, which can emit a photon, and boom, you're glowing. The researchers found that participants glowed throughout the day, with the brightest spots appearing around the forehead, neck, and cheeks in the late afternoon. The dimmest bioluminescence was recorded late at night. This was an infrared radiation caused by heat, despite how the images might appear. Those signals are actually from photons of visible light particles not caused by heat.